Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Polkadot also, I'm now of the view that we are here in a wave 2. Please note that many coins currently are either in a wave 4 or 2. I cannot rule out also here that Polkadot is still in a wave 4. It's difficult up here, yeah. I mean, we broke out of this kind of wedge pattern to the downside, out of this channel, like many coins did as well. And it's all about, are we in a wave 4 or a wave 2? This is basically in the current situation really, really hard to say. I think this would still look better, like for many other coins as well, with one more high and we get a clearer wave 5. But this is already a 5-wave move as it can be counted. The trouble that you have with these, and let me just, I think I actually need to move the 4 here. No, needs to go here. Looked at that earlier today, because this is a 5-wave move in wave 3 in itself. But there are different possibilities, yeah. It could even be that we had some kind of a corrective top here, yeah. But okay, at the moment, due to the strong sell-off and also what's going on in the market, we're looking here at a correction. I'm going to give you a first possible entry point now, if you like to, at least first possible support, because what I would imagine is, what we're doing here in a wave 2 is an ABC correction. So we have here probably the ABC nearly complete. Doesn't look entirely complete yet. We should then see maybe on the weekend a B wave and then a C wave down. Now, what you could do if you'd like to, and we've done that before, I think with Polkadot here, you could trade and scale into the A wave if you like to. This was, I think at the time, also a projected A wave. I think in the end it became something different, but this can also be traded for a possible bounce to the upside. And let me just, yeah, because the way this looks, I mean, if this is an A wave, it could be a 5-wave move, right? So in an A wave, here in a wave 1, the wave 2, we could now be in a 3rd wave. There should be a 4th and a 5th. We might actually just now be doing this 4th wave. And then we could get one more wave down. And that might be a move where you might want to start to scale in. Now that is a decision that's entirely up to you. If you do it, how you do it, where you do it, I can only tell you where I believe the price should turn around. And my first view would be also considering the subwave count here. If we had a 1 here, 2 here, a 3 here, 4 here, and a 5 here. And by the way, maybe the wave 3 isn't even finished yet. I mean, we need to just seeing that, because it looks a bit short, doesn't it? Unless need to look into the subwaves here in 1 second. Let's go here, because this could be a diagonal. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, this is a 5-wave move in my view. 3-wave move up in wave 2. And the wave 3 should actually reach the 1.618 extension. I don't think it reached it. No. So, okay, ideally this wave 3 still carries on. Yeah, ideally I'd like to get the wave 3, and it's currently in a bear flag anyway. Ideally, I'd like to see it in round about 592. Then we should get a 4. Then we should get a 5. And ideally, this will mean wave A finds its low in the region between, not that, between $6, which is here the 38.2 fib, and the 50% fib retracement at 567. So, now very important, okay? I currently see this here as an A wave, but I of course don't know, yeah, because I'm not using a crystal ball here in my office. It's all based on probabilities, but this is the area where, looking at the subwave count and looking at fib retracements of the entire move, it should find a local low at least. If it's a wave 4, then this might be it already. And then we could rally in a 5th wave, or we rally in a B wave. At least there is some confluence there. So it could be useful to consider to scale into this area. Now again, and there is nothing that would stop an A wave to go a little bit lower. So until you see a confirmed low, be careful with leverage, be careful with your position size if you want to scale into support areas. Yeah, it might make sense initially only in the spot market, and then looking at if the trade goes into your direction, and you could see what is it doing. If it goes into your direction, then move up the stop loss, move it into profit. Yeah, and if it's just a B wave, you get stopped out in profit, and if it's a wave 5, then you can take the wave 5, which might go even higher after wave 4, and you can still scale into the wave 2 when it eventually happens. So I think this is a win-win. I'm going to observe that for you, and then yeah, I'll keep you updated. So hopefully you liked the update about Polkadot. Hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.